Stay in peace and be happy, knowing that everything is going to work out all right. One day at a time. Have faith. Made it through everything else so far. And you will continue to move forward. The Creator is with you. Release the past. Focus on the present, knowing you have a bright future ahead of you. You have unlimited potential within you. Be your own hero. Realize that everything you do matters. All the love you give yourself will go out into the world and be reflected back to you. Don't give up now. Don't stop. Keep moving forward. Keep rising like that sun every day, starting each new day. A big smile on your face and peace in your heart, knowing that everything is in divine order. Look at the good. Focus on the good and see more good. Live in the moment and follow your heart. Be proud how far you've come and be patient with yourself. You're doing great. You'll get through anything you're going through. It's all temporary. Just feel your way through it. At the end of it, you'll be smiling, knowing that you survived again, like you always will. Be grateful for everything you have, and know that there's going to be more. Think of life as such a blessing. How lucky we are to be here. Make the most of it. Release the hurt, the sadness, and focus on the good. Focus on the lessons you've learned, how far you've come. Stand tall, realizing your strength, realizing there's a Creator above you and within you, and you are eternal. The love that you carry will carry you through. Forgive yourself, forgive others, and just hold on to the lessons. That's what it's all about. Release the need to be perfect. Don't worry about anything. Replace all that fear, all that worrying with love. One moment at a time. You can do it. I have faith in you, and I'm with you 100%.